Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, as we all know, what we do here is we provide information that concerns schools, JAMB, admission, everything, and help you guys succeed. All right. So this question, I've received this question from so many persons. So I want to make. So I decided to make a video on this question so that I can answer this question. All right. So the topic for today of the day is Jamb 2024 result upgrading. All right, that's the topic of today, Jamb 2024 result upgrading. So if you look at our FAQ for today, is Jamb result upgrading real or fake? So for the people that didn't know the meaning, please, the meaning of FAQ is frequently asked question. All right, so that's the meaning of FAQ, is frequently asked question. So the frequently asked question for the day is Jamb result upgrading real or fake? All right, Jamb result upgrade, is it real or fake? So today, that's what we want to talk about today. We are going to look at it today. So first of all, I want to answer this question because of some person that is coming to my DM to my video, where the video I made before about Jamb Expo. People are coming there to comment rubbish. So I don't have their time. If you notice, I have not responded to any of them. I don't have their time. So and the only question I would have loved to answer them, because I don't even have their time. If not, I would have loved to answer them. The answer I would have loved to giving them is this: for the fact that you bought a fake material in the market does not mean that the original one is not in the market again. All right, I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. For the fact that you got a fake material in the market does not mean that the original one is not in the market again. The original one is in the market. Simply, it's just that maybe you have not seen where they are selling it, right? Or your money is not enough to buy that. It's either you have seen where they are selling it and your money is not enough to buy that, or you have not seen where, or you have the money and you have not seen where they are selling it. All right, today I want to talk about this Jamb 24. Sorry for interrupting our class. So today I want to talk about Jamb 2024 result upgrading before the exam starts. All right, so I know where you guys will be waiting for me to hear is here and here. This is where you guys will be waiting for me. I promise this organization that I'm not going to deceive us. All right, that's a promise. That's a promise. And everything that has to do with, we have been in this for a couple of years, and everything that has to do with schools and admission and JAMB, that's what we have been doing, and that's what we know how to do of. So all of those particular persons that know nothing about it will start commenting rubbish and start saying rubbish. All right, so now I want to tell us, before we were doing a upgrading, and along the line, just like I mentioned in our previous video, that JAMB has been fighting examination malpractice. All right, so they have blocked the loophole. So there's nothing like upgrading for now. What I'm saying is, once your result is out, there is nothing like upgrading. Once JAMB release your results, there is nothing like upgrading. All right, once you see your results, maybe you have checked your results, you were aiming to score 350 and you scored 300 and you want to upgrade to that 350, nothing like that. So beware of scammers, and as long as you're a member of this platform, you're not going to be scammed, unless maybe you took the decision without telling me. All right, so but if you tell me, I'll always guide you, because that's what we are into. Understand? So instead of you looking for where to upgrade your results after exam, why not join us now on the WhatsApp, so that we can assist you pass before you start looking for where to upgrade? Why not join us now on our WhatsApp platform? where we will assist you pass. It is just for free. We will assist you pass. Okay, I know what you guys are passing through to pass, so that's why I have taken out of my time to make sure that I want to help as many as persons. But that we have mapped 500 candidates for our database, so that's what we have mapped. So that's what we are helping for this. So why not, instead of you looking for where to upgrade and you end up giving your hard-earned money to somebody that will scam you, to somebody that will eat your money and go away, why not join us on the platform? That's the only thing I want to ask you. Why not join us now? The only way you can join us is to hit the subscribe button for us, turn on the notification bell, then if you want to join us, you tell me you are interested on the comment section. I will give you my number to message me on WhatsApp, then you will join us. That's the only way. All right, so instead of you looking for after results you start looking for where to upgrade, and they will start telling you 30,000, 25,000, 50,000, this and that, you pay and you get scammed. All right, don't get scammed. All right, watch and follow us. Until I see you again in my next video, I love you. This is how I will end this video. So until I see you again in my next video, I love you all. Keep winning.